chicken nuggets of wisdom.
Ano pang iyak ka?
TL, this is just a symbol of appreciation for being a good leader and kuya for all of us. This team, this team so far is the best I ever had. Dito ko naranasan ang unity and teamwork. You encourage all of us. Kahit na minsan, tinatamad kami. Kaya, kaya nyo rin po kontrolin yung mood namin.
Storytelling nga si Dio.
And
Huwag
yung
kayong
mga
magulo.
simpleng banat nyo, the best. Oh. I won't forget Wacky Pose and Team Red Dictionary. I will be always red and proud.
Parang IJ.
My heart will always belong to Team Red. Ang dami ko pong gustong sabihin, pero I can't put them all to words.
Parang MMK.
Namamaalam talaga.
Basta, thank you po. P.S. Since you always comment sa SO ko, here's a remembrance po. Angelzina Julies. Presented to the bestest TL ever, Maria Redencio Reddy Gonzalez, on the occasion of, is there an occasion? Tama ba spelling ng occasion? I think it's not double C, it's double S. So which means my spelling is correct. March 30, 2012, with love from Angelzina Julies.
Wow.
Thank you, Joe.
Iyak na yan.